Hello people, welcome back to our YouTube channel Homes and Own, and I'm Himanshi Sharma. Today I have a simple question for you. Would you spend 10 CR on a home? Most people would immediately say no. But what if I tell you this isn't just a home, it's a complete lifestyle most of Delhi people would ever experience. Today we are going to explore Max State 105 Live Residencies, one of the most luxury project in Noida. But before we talk about the project, let's talk about the developer. Max State is one of the most trusted developer in Delhi NCR. Their vision is not simply to build, their vision is to create space that focus on people's lifestyle, wellness, sustainability, intelligent design and premium living. After the grand success of Max State 128, Max Antara, India's premium senior living community, Max has introduced Max State 105, setting a new benchmark in Noida. And also Max State honored with prestigious awards like ET Now Reality Convention Best Brand of the Year, Smart Project of the Year and Environment Friendly Project. Now let's talk about why this project is worth of 10 CR. First of all, this is a low density project. The entire mixed-use development is spread across 10 acres, out of which 5.62 is dedicated to residency. And one of the most important thing is 2.5 is for car-free landscape spaces. So you can walk easily, your kids can play safely. And you are getting 4-bedroom homes, 4-bedroom plus family lounge homes, duplex homes and breathtaking sky villas, and you are also getting luxurious townhouses. And their design is movement friendly, so you can walk easily, exercise and you can do all the activities you want to do. And you know what? You are getting only 2 towers with 252 units, which means no overcrowding, no waiting for common space, just privacy and peace. Now let's talk about the biggest USPs of Max State 105. First of all, you are getting VRF air conditioning system which maintains precise temperature. This project also delivers you advanced heat pump system which gives you instant hot water and you don't need traditional geyser. And secondly, you are getting UV purified water which ensures clean and safe water. And this project also includes rainwater harvesting, advanced sewage treatment, organic waste composting and many other things. And this project is IGBC Pre-Platinum certified, which focus on sustainability and future infrastructure. Max State 105 offers you 72,000 square feet of clubhouse designed for every age group. You are getting world-class facilities including badminton court, pickleball court, yoga pavilion, gym and indoor and outdoor activity services. And also you are getting smart home technology. With your smartphone you can control lighting, you can monitor your home, and residents also getting premium hospitality services like chauffeur services, butler professional services, in-home culinary services, pet care, car cleaning, laundry and etc. This is why this project is called Live Well Residencies. Now let's talk about the most important factor, that is location. Max State 105 is located on Noida Greater Noida Expressway, 5 minutes away from Mahamaya flyover, 45 minutes away from Noida International Airport, and premium destination like DLF is a short drive away, and also Vedanta Hospital and Max Hospital is also nearby. Now you know why this project is worth of 10 CR. If you want to be a part of this ultra luxury community and want to schedule a site visit and want to know payment plan and pricing, then call on this number. And if you like our video, then subscribe our YouTube channel Homes and Own, and thank you for watching us.